Namaste, welcome to NIELIT Agartala. Now we are in front of the main gate of National Institute of Electronics and IT, Agartala. So this is the main entrance, and once we come inside, this is our campus over 15-acre land. On the left hand side we have parking area, and then we have electric substation. This is our administrative block, and then in between we have our workshop, and this side we have our academic block. This is G plus 4-storied building, and this admin block is G plus 3-storied building. And this is the path which goes towards the residential block. It starts with the girls hostel, then the quarters, and then the boys hostel. So the next step will be moving towards the academic block ground floor. So now we are in front of the academic building of our campus. This is a building which is a G plus 3-storied building. It is having all the classrooms and lab facilities of this campus. So let us move towards the ground floor of this building. Now we are in the ground floor of the academic building. So this particular setup, we have on the left hand side one staircase facility, on the right hand side one staircase facility, and there is a lift facility on my right. And in this building, it is supported with CCTV surveillance, fire safety equipments as per the requirement and as per norms. So let us move towards the server room and labs and other facilities in this particular building. So they start with this. We have our main server room of this particular campus. We have a computer lab which is specifically designed for networking courses. This is a 30 seating capacity lab. Each of the labs in this building are equipped with high-end systems with at least i5 processor and 8 GB RAM, and it is also supported by end-to-end connectivity for internet and also supported by online UPS and generator facility. All our labs are also supported by AC. Next, we are moving to Computer Lab 2. This lab is a computer lab where 50 seating capacity is there, and basically the operating system concepts are concentrated in this particular lab. This is one more computer lab which is basically used for database management concepts. This lab is also equipped with 30 systems. Now we are moving towards other labs and classroom in this particular floor. This is one of the faculty rooms of this campus. We have one electronics lab here which is for PCB designing and medical electronics concepts. This lab has got computer systems as well as electronic equipment, lab equipment, because for PCB design we need some kind of software to be designed, and then we convert it into the PCB designer. Now we are going towards the computer center. This is the computer center of the academic building. It is a 50 capacity lab. equipped with high-end machines and internet connectivity. This is one way of moving towards the remaining floors of their campus. These are the firefighting equipments installed as per the norms. This is the first aid and sick room as designed. This is one of the labs we are proposing as a data engineering lab for the proposed MTech course. So with this, this is the end of the ground floor. So on that side there is a staircase that I have told. So now we'll be moving towards the first floor of the academic building. So now we are in the first floor of the academic block. Let us start from this side. This is one classroom of 60 seating capacity. Yes. Very exciting. This side we have one electronics lab. This is basic electronics lab that we are heading into. So all the training kits related to basic electronics, linear integrated circuit are available here. In addition to that, we have a capacity of undertaking training in solar power as well as UPS repair facilities also in this lab. Now next we are heading towards the drawing hall and CAD room. In the first floor of our academic block, we have established one R&D corner where whatever the papers and research activities we are undertaking in the campus, we are showcasing it using this notice board. Now we are going towards the drawing hall and the CAD center. Now basically this particular room has two parts. One is manual physical drawing facilities for the students, and also supported by systems where AutoCAD is installed. So students also undertake a computer-aided design using these systems. Now we are moving towards another classroom and lab. This is one more classroom which is having 60 capacity sitting arrangement. This is our language lab. This lab is equipped with an ODDL software for undertaking soft skill classes, and this laptop is being used as a server to connect to the 30 machines in this, and the students can hear, they can also practice soft skill using this software and the facility in this particular lab. Now next we are moving towards one electronics lab in the campus. This is our digital electronics and microprocessor lab. So we have facilities here for these two labs inside this lab. These are microprocessor kits, and we also have support system for mobile handset repairing also. A small setup is there. with this we come to the end of the first floor of the academic block. Now we'll be moving towards the second floor of the academic block. So now we are in the second floor of academic building. I'm in the lobby. So to start with this side, we have a notice board and then followed by classrooms and labs. So this is a 60 capacity classroom. We have one more classroom in that side, which is also a 60 capacity classroom. Now this side we have labs. This is one electronics lab, which is electronic measurement and instrumentation lab. Now next we have a research lab. This lab we are undertaking some in-house research activities at this moment, and we are dedicating it for our upcoming proposed MTech courses. This research lab is equipped with high-end i7 computers supported by NKN and other facilities, and we are also having a server in this particular lab. This is the 20 capacity research lab of the campus. Next we have one electronics lab this side. Here we are undertaking communication engineering activities. These are all different training kits available. Next we are going towards the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Next we are going towards the physics lab. This is our physics lab equipped with lab facilities. So this is the end of the second floor of the academic block. Now we'll be moving towards the third floor of the academic block. So now we are in the last floor of this building, which is the third floor. So I'm in the lobby of the third floor. To start with this side, we have our notice board. Then there is a classroom, which is a 60 capacity. Then we have one more classroom here. On this side we have the staircase going to the roof. One more classroom in the third floor. Now going towards that side we have some labs. This is a computer lab. which is specifically designed for programming concepts. This is a 30 capacity lab. We have one more lab here, which is computer lab. This is basically for multimedia concepts as well as app or web development. This is the lab with 30 capacity again. And now we are moving towards the one more classroom. This is again a classroom of 60 capacity. So now we are into the last room of this academic building, that is designed as a tutorial room. So this is a 60 capacity room. This room is equipped with a projector as well as systems, so it can be considered as a tutorial room. So with this we end all the infrastructure of the academic block. Now we'll be moving towards the workshop and then we'll be going towards the admin block of our campus. So now I'm standing between, on my left hand side it is the academic block and my right hand side it is the admin block, and this is the path towards the workshop. So we will go towards the workshop and see the facilities there. So now I'm in front of the workshop, engineering workshop of the campus. This workshop has got the facility of conduction of classes for carpentry, smithy, fittings and machining. So we are now standing in front of the administrative block of our campus. So let us go inside and see the facilities. We are in the ground floor of our administrative block. This building is a G plus 2-story building, and this building consists of sitting capacities for officials as well as the library. So to start with this side, we have the library. Before that, this particular building is having the biometric attendance monitoring system for our officials. So this side is the library. This is the library sitting area as well as the books. This side we have the library books being racked, and this is the digital library facility. We have IEEE transaction rights and also National Digital Library Facility, and our library is equipped with Agartala software, which is an automated software for library accession, and this is being designed by NIC. This is the library automation software that is being used. we are going towards the receptionist and counseling room. This is the area for reception and council room. This is also a part of officials of library to sit, and a part of exam cell is there. There is a library store also inside this. So this is again a cabin for officials. On this side we have store and washrooms. In ground floor, in each of the floors of this building, there are two ways to go to the next floor. One is on the left hand side, one is on the right hand side, and there is also a lift facility. So the next floor that we'll be moving into is the first floor of the admin block. Now we are into the first floor of the admin block. So this floor mainly consists of academic section as well as admin and finance section. So officials sit in the cubicles as well as the cabins. So let me show the area. This is the section for some officials of admin as well as finance section. This is our housekeeping area, washroom area. This is our office rooms and cabins. This is an arrangement for seating for our officials from all the sections. These are Department of Computer Science and Department of Electronics offices. There are facilities for placement and HOD rooms. Sitting area of our faculties. This is the end of our first floor of admin block. Now we'll be going towards the second floor of the admin block. So now we are in the second floor of the admin block. So this side we have our seminar hall, which is a 90 capacity sitting arrangement. This side we have our conference room. Director's office. Academic head and exam control office. This side our pantry room. I'm standing on top of admin block. So to have a view of our campus, this is the large green campus of 15 acre. This is I'm standing on top of the admin block. This is our workshop. These are our residential areas, boys hostel, girls hostels and quarter. And this is the academic block.